In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grain from images in OpenArt. If you've ever taken a great photo only to find it looks noisy or speckled, especially in low light, this walkthrough will show you how to clean it up quickly using OpenArt's built-in tools without getting lost in complicated settings. Start by heading to OpenArt's homepage. On the main screen, move your cursor over the section dedicated to images. This highlights the area of the platform where you can bring in a photo and apply AI-powered edits designed to reduce noise while keeping the picture looking natural. Next, select the option called Chat to Edit. This opens a workspace where you can talk to the AI in plain language about what you want changed in your image. Think of it like giving precise, simple directions to an assistant who understands photography terms and can apply them in seconds. Inside that workspace, look for the plus icon labeled New Image. Click it to start a fresh edit. This creates a new session so your instructions and results are organized around the specific photo you're about to improve. Now upload the image you want to edit. Choose a clear version of your file. Higher resolution images often give the AI more detail to preserve, while it removes grain. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If the file is large, give it a moment to load, and make sure you have the right to edit the photo you're using. With the image loaded, type your instruction in the text box. A solid example is same image, smooth gradients, studio lighting, sharp focus, remove grains. Each phrase serves a purpose. Same image tells the AI to keep composition intact. Smooth gradients helps even out blotchy tones. Studio lighting encourages clean, balanced illumination. Sharp focus protects edges and details. And remove grains targets the noise itself. If you're working with portraits or fine textures, phrases like retain detail or natural texture can help avoid an oversmoothed look. Send your instruction by pressing Enter or clicking the Send icon. Keep the tab open while it processes. Wait for the AI to finish. Processing time depends on image size and complexity. You'll see progress indicators as it works through your request. When it's done, review the results. Look closely at skies, shadows, and skin tones, areas where grain often shows up. You should see cleaner gradients, crisper focus, and a more polished professional finish, all while maintaining the original character of your photo. That's all there is to it. Your image is now denoised in OpenArt.